Good morning, everyone. Today is Sunday, June 28th. We have a lot of plans out in the garden today, but first let's give you a tour and show you where we're at and what we got going on. Life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness right here in the hill country of Texas. So again, we'll start over here in this area, over by the fence. You'll see that the cantaloupe have continued to grow and aren't looking too bad actually. And these are my lettuce plants, that one there and this one here. I've taken some lettuce off of them, so there's some lettuce over here. The potatoes still linger on as far as survival, so we'll just let them do their thing, and then we'll harvest them and show you what we get out of those. Carrots, again, sporadic. Radishes, I pretty much just let them do what they're doing, and then the peppers over here aren't doing very well at all, but we kind of explained that. They don't get enough sunlight over here. So that's this portion of the garden. Here's a quick look at the rose bush. Still putting on flowers. Need to prune it a little bit, it looks like, so it can continue. Over here we have these are California pansies. Of course, they haven't done anything as of yet other than grow, but that's good. At least they're growing. The ferns continue to do well out here. Looking really nice. Here's the marigolds. Looking pretty nice. Haven't flowered yet. Haven't put on buds to flower. But it won't be long. We'll have marigolds maybe by next weekend. So here we are in the garden. You'll notice the shade cloth, of course. I did put that up yesterday, and I did post a video on that, so make sure you go back and check that out. Anyway, here's the cucumbers. Here's how they're doing. We've taken about 2 dozen cucumbers off of here, and I can see that there's possibly going to be quite a few more. So we're trying to get some plans on what we're going to do as far as canning and saving, pickling, that kind of thing. Peppers, bell peppers, have thrown blossoms on there, so looking pretty good. Squash plants, this one's hanging on. So all three of these are really hanging on. This one hasn't shown any more fruit yet. This one's shown some new growth and is showing some new growth there as far as fruit. So we're going to get some more off of this guy. And this little guy here, he's got one growing down here. Nice. We're going to get some more squash. So the cantaloupe growing, but I think we're going to pull these out of here and clear up this area because we're going to be making some changes today. Bush beans still flowering up, producing beans for us. Pulled another good handful out of here the other day and had some last night. Steamed them up. They were really good. Looks like we're going to have to pull some more. Doing really good right here. Jalapeno peppers. Right there. Throwing some blossoms. We'll be seeing some peppers hanging here pretty quick. I might have to prune them to make them bush out a little bit more. The beefsteak tomatoes have showing fruit. There's those little guys. So we're going to be seeing fruit come off of them. Here's the cherry tomatoes over here. Haven't noticed any. See the blossoms, but haven't noticed. Oh, there, wait. There's some right there. There's one. See him? See that little guy? Nice. There's another one over here. The corn is starting to die off, or has run its course. And the other day I was out here, harvested some corn out of here. There's still a couple of them on here. To see how they look. But I probably harvested, believe it or not, about 2 bushels of corn, and I'll show you some of them. But I picked them, and the first day I came out and I picked them, and I failed the video, so I apologize for that. But that's what we've gotten. Like I said, we've gotten about 2 bushels of corn off of this. But now that it's run its course and it's starting to wither, dry up, what's going to happen today is I will be pulling the corn, getting it all out of there, and start prepping it for more. Get it planted. The second crop. I'm going to extend it out over here, closer to the fence. Probably get a couple more rows of corn out of that. So we're going to be doing that later today, and I'll probably be filming that as well. But all in all, we've been really happy with the garden so far. Like I said, the cucumbers are just blowing up on us, so that's good. We like that. There's all kinds of fruit coming in. And we're just happy with this so far. And they taste really good. My wife has a cucumber salad recipe that I'll share with you in another video. I also have a recipe for sweet and sour cucumber slices. Go really good with hamburgers or putting them on your sandwiches. They really taste good with deer meat hamburgers. So there's the garden tour. We're happy with what we got. We've been blessed and continue to be blessed, and we will continue to do our due diligence on keeping up with the garden and taking care of it. So there you have it. There's the short garden tour this morning. Thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for support. I'd very much appreciate that. And as always, I hope you have a wonderful day, and God bless you.